social media isn't always easy. When you've got a large platform like many celebrities, the eyes of thousands of fans are always on you, and it only takes one post to end your career or cause total embarrassment. Sometimes accidents happen and sometimes poor judgment gets in the way. Either way, these celebrity accidents are something to talk about, so let's dive into the top 10 celebrities who immediately regretted their Instagram post. What's going on, guys? I'm your host, B-Room, and welcome back to Top 10 Beyond the Screen. Today we're going to talk about some celebrities' most regrettable Instagram posts, but before we get started, just remember that you can always check up here for a playlist full of videos like this one, and stick around until the end for some bonus content. Now let's get started. Starting us off at number 10, Lindsay Lohan. Seems like Lindsay Lohan has fallen victim to incorrect translations following a post that she made to her Instagram. The actress posted what I'm guessing she thought was an inspirational, uplifting picture which said, "You're beautiful," but it turns out that's not at all what it said. The image also featured Arabic text, and since the English text underneath it said the words "you're beautiful," that's probably what Lindsay thought it said, but unfortunately for the actress, that's far from correct. It wasn't until she posted the image that some of her followers began to inform her that the Arabic text actually reads "you're a donkey" or "you're an I mean, I'm sure Lindsay meant well. She probably just wanted to share a positive message with her followers, but instead got a different reaction. This situation is sort of reminiscent of the Ariana Grande incident with her tiny barbecue tattoo. I think the lesson here is to always check your translations. At number 9, Scott Disick. Sometimes instructions are hard and you want to follow them word for word, but it seems like Scott Disick followed his instructions a little too well. Scott posted a photo to his Instagram for a brand deal, and I'm guessing that the company emailed him some text to include in his description for the brand deal. Well, oopsie daisy, Scott copied and pasted the entire email in his caption. The post read, quote, "Here you go at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, write the below. Caption, keeping up my summer workout routine with my morning booty UK. Big oof." He was able to take the post down and repost it, this time without the instructions included in the description, but not fast enough to prevent the world from taking screenshots. Funnily enough, this isn't the first time something like this has happened. The same mistake of posting instructions along with his caption also happened when he did a sponsored post about a teeth whitening kit. When will you learn, Scott? When will you learn that your actions have consequences? If you guys are enjoying the video so far, give this video a thumbs up. Your likes really help us out, so please go show us some love. In at 8, Vanessa Hudgens. When you love someone, you want to show it. And what better way to do it than defacing a natural United States property? I'm kidding, but Vanessa Hudgens was not. While on a romantic getaway with her then boyfriend Austin Butler, the two etched their names surrounded by a heart into a rock in Sedona, Arizona, and Vanessa posted a picture of it to her Instagram. Come to find out a little while later that what they did was totally illegal, and they ratted on themselves with that post. Since being made aware of her illegal activity, she removed the post but was ordered to pay a $1,000 fine for the damages, but the outcome could have been so much worse. The maximum fine for this offense is $5,000 and a 6-month jail sentence. Vanessa and Austin got off lucky this time, and I'm sure they would start to think twice before doing something like that again. Maybe just stick with sidewalk chalk in your driveway as a safe bet. At number 7, Joe Jonas. Now with this next one, he may not have immediately regretted it, but I'm sure he did a few weeks later. Back in June 2015, Joe Jonas posted a picture of himself sitting with Kanye West and Zayn Malik at a Paris fashion show with the caption #squad. This post came shortly after Joe and Gigi Hadid broke up. Might seem like an irrelevant piece of information, but just go with me. The internet was raving about this post for a while because of how it captured these three music icons, and it looked like Joe and Zayn were friendly towards each other, right? Well, it turns out at this time, Zayn and Gigi had been secretly dating and Joe had no idea. So once news of their relationship broke, Joe unfollowed Zayn and Gigi on social media and deleted their squad goals picture. Kinda looks like Joe was blindsided and must have regretted documenting this sort of backstab on his socials. Though a source said that Joe and Gigi's split was amicable, I'm sure that seeing your girl move on just weeks after your breakup with someone who seemed to have been your friend must have hurt just a little bit. Coming in at number 6, Anna Faris. Imagine posting a funny picture of yourself getting ready for work, and instead of people hyping you up to combat your nerves, you get body shamed instead. That's what happened to Anna Faris back in 2018. She posted a picture of her in a black shirt and biker shorts as a funny sort of candid photo as she was getting ready to record her podcast, and told her fans that she was feeling the pre-show jitters. I'm sure that she was just looking for encouragement when posting the picture, but instead she was met with more negativity than she bargained for as people started body shaming the actress. People kept making fun of and commenting on her legs, telling her that she's too thin and she should quote, eat something. Within 15 minutes of posting, she took the post down as people kept commenting on her weight, with one person even saying that this post was a cry for help and saying that they hope she gets the help that she needs. Body shaming is just so terrible no matter who it is or what they look like, so I'm sure she regretted posting that, wishing that she could spare herself the negativity. Halfway through at number 5, Tom Holland. I'm sure there are plenty of Instagram posts that Tom Holland regrets, most of them being his accidental leaks of Marvel movie secrets. Tom seems to have gotten the hang of this social media thing lately, but there was a time when everyone would search Tom Holland's posts and Instagram stories for new information about upcoming MCU films, just because he was so notorious for leaking things. There was a time where he accidentally revealed the title of the Spider-Man sequel Far From Home, and when he showed off the unreleased posters for Avengers Infinity War, although a lot of people thought that one was staged. There was even a time when Tom's social media accidents were so common that when a rumor started going around saying that Tom had accidentally uploaded the entire Avengers Endgame film to Twitter, he actually believed it because it sounded like something he would do. I think that after all the times that he's leaked something or spilled the beans on some sort of secret project, his team are constantly analyzing his posts before they hit the internet just in case. At number 4, Chris Evans. There is nothing worse than a public nude leak for a celebrity. Back in mid-September, Chris Evans accidentally leaked his own nudes after he shared a screen recording to his Instagram story. The video was of him playing a game of Heads Up, and at the end of the recording it cut to a shot of his camera roll where, behold, fans pointed out that there was an image of his lower half, and for fans it took a lot less than a few blocks of obsidian and a flint and steel to get to his nether region, if you know what I mean. People began taking screenshots of the image before Chris took the original post down, but unfortunately for him it was too late. People started sharing the image all over Twitter, and it even got him trending on the platform. Eventually the hype died down after some of his loyal fans were able to bury the image, but it was still pretty embarrassing for the actor. A few days after the leak, he took the opportunity of his name trending to encourage people to vote, playing off his unfortunate circumstance, but he probably regretted that post though. Coming in at number 3, Travis Scott. Here is another case of bullying that went too far for a celebrity. Over this past Halloween weekend, Travis Scott posted a pic of him dressed as a recreation of Michael Keaton's Batman. Though he seemed proud of his costume in the picture, a lot of people hated it and ripped the rapper to shreds. Fans made fun of his batsuit because it was brown rather than black, they called him names, made fun of the sizing of the costume, and a lot of people commented on how Travis is rich but quote, couldn't afford a decent costume. The backlash, criticisms, and bullying that Travis received just moments after posting his Halloween getup prompted him to not only delete the picture, but also delete his entire Instagram page. Now, as if their bullying wasn't enough, there have been people criticizing his thin skin for letting comments get to him, but as someone who receives negative comments on a daily basis, you never know how hurtful it is until it happens to you. I'm sure that right now Travis is feeling very hurt by the same people who call them his fans, and is probably wishing that he never posted that picture in the first place. At number 2, Cardi B. Cardi B seemed to have pulled a Chris Evans when she accidentally leaked her own nudes this past October, just 1 month after Chris Evans had his own leak. This post happened on her Instagram story where she accidentally posted a picture of her breast. The post was uploaded to her platform, which has about 77 million followers, so even though the post was only up for a short time, it was still there long enough for a lot of people to see it and take screenshots. Much like Chris Evans' case, Cardi's leaked photo was uploaded to Twitter where it was shared with a lot of the internet, which also resulted in her name trending. But she also faced a lot of criticisms on her body, and a lot of people online were commenting on the way she looked and theorized why she looked that way. It was one of those moments where you realize that the internet can sometimes be full of haters who just like making rude comments about someone's body. Cardi was a little embarrassed about the whole thing, and I'm sure she regretted posting the photo, but she didn't let that get to her too much, as she followed up the post with saying, quote, "I'm not gonna beat myself up about it, I'm just gonna eat my breakfast and then I'm gonna go party." Finally at number 1, Kathy Griffin. Back in 2017, Kathy Griffin made headlines after a photo was posted online of her holding a replica of Donald Trump's severed head with it all bloody and stuff. Kinda gross. When this photo was originally released, she was blacklisted from Hollywood as a result. CNN cut ties with her and she lost a lot of credibility because of this stunt. Her career was really just over after this moment. Trump as well as his family addressed the picture, calling it disgusting, as well as other supporters who called the image pure evil. Kathy later issued an apology for her actions, but this post was really something that she could not come back from. She received death threats and there was even rumors of the comedian being part of an extremist group. Bottom line here is that this was the single most detrimental thing to happen to her career. Originally, she said that she was sorry for posting it and that she regretted her decision, but just recently she retweeted this image, sharing it once again after the events of the US presidential election. Maybe she doesn't regret it now, but I mean, the damage was already done the first time around. Now before I wrap up the video, let's do some comment shoutouts from Johnny Depp's career might be over because of this. Marlene Delorme says, "Who paid off the judge? It smells musky to me, and I heard the judge's wife is friends with Amber Heard. There's a scandal on our hands. Someone do the research, get back to me, we've got a story." Emily QS says, "Johnny will be fine. Amber is really the one who had the light placed on her, so she'll have to see who in Hollywood would want to bank on her in the future." You are 100% right. I mean, there's so many petitions calling for her to get kicked off certain movies, like her career is kind of, you know. Folksy Girl says, "I definitely think Johnny will have a career after this mess. Amber was the abuser and Johnny shouldn't be made to suffer because of her behavior. I think most people in the industry are smart enough to realize this." Yeah, I mean, we have a consensus down in the comments of this video. A lot of people are on Johnny's side saying that Amber's career is over, so yeah, I think you're right. Thanks so much for watching the video and for all your comments. Leave a comment down below telling me something you regret doing. Also, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and have notifications turned on so you never miss out on a new video. That's it for me, but until next time, stay safe, make good choices, and stay groovy, friends. And what better way to do it than defacing a I keep wanting to say national. No. It's because it says United States. Ugh, I can't read today. Coming in at number 6, Anna Faris. No, Anna Faris. Anna Faris? Okay, huh.